Hey everyone, in this week's video I'm going to be reviewing the Makita portable fan. Now I'm not going to say what the model is, I'm going to leave it just here because it's just letters and numbers and nobody's going to be interested in that. But this fan has been a godsend for me over the last 3 weeks. In the UK at the moment, we've been having a bit of a heat wave and it's been getting extremely hot and very hard to work in. So I've been using it now. I've been working in a hotel and I've been working in corridors, and basically I've just been wanting to get some air circulating in there, and this has been working a treat. And not only that, I've used this while I went camping the other week and it made a big difference considering how hot it's been. Now this fan, some people may want some bigger fans, but this one's been perfect for me and it does seem to circulate around the rooms pretty well. But let's talk about some of the features of the Makita fan. Big first feature for me, the reason why I got it is because I can run my fan with my Makita batteries. So you can use either 14.4 batteries or 18-volt batteries. So I use Makita batteries all the time, whether it's on my impact driver, my combi, my mixing drill, multi-tool, radio. Yeah, I use Makita stuff all the time. So the fact that I can use my batteries with this makes this even better for me. And also you can use it with mains. So you do get a lead with it. So this is the power lead you get. It's about 1 meter long, so it's okay. You know, I'd always want more, but you know, I can't complain when you can run off batteries. So it's got the 2 settings, it's got the low and the high. You're probably going to be using it more on the high. I have used it on the low, and especially when I went camping the other week, I found it really useful just for getting some air in my tent. And it made a big difference with the heat wave that we're having at the moment. You also have a timer function here. So the timer function, this is something that you're probably not going to use very often. The only time I've found to use it is when I went camping. So when my girls needed to get to sleep, we have the fan on and I just put it on for 2 hours just to make sure that I wouldn't, just so that it would go off at some point, and it did help get them to sleep. So another thing about this is that so you can adjust it on the back, so you can adjust the angle you want it to be at. That's pretty self-explanatory, so you can just adjust how you want to use it, but especially you're just probably going to leave it and let the air circulate around unless you want to get a bit of air to yourself to cool yourself down. So this is the Makita fan and I'm really happy with it. It's not too small for me and it's not too big, so it means that it's not going to take up too much space in my van. I can just leave it in one of my shelves, and whenever I need to use it, I can use it. The fact that I can use it with a battery is even better, and obviously that I can use it with mains as well, so I have the dual functionality of it there. I bought this from Screwfix. I think it's about £59, but I'll leave a link below to Amazon. I'm sure they do some decent prices as well, but for the money, this is definitely worth it. Right guys, well this is the end of my review. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I drop videos every Tuesday. I do it on various things, whether it's on plastering tools, plastering reviews on different other products, whether it's tutorials or just basically vlogs about what's going on at the moment. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.